What's going on, guys? Emoji here and welcome to another video. In this video I will be covering on three important things that you must carry if you're traveling to a polluted place like India or China. Um, so the first one is breathing mask, and um, you can get it from Amazon, eBay, or any other retailer. Uh, this one is an N95 certified mask, and what it does is it blocks pollutants when you're breathing air in those places. Um, the second thing I have with me is a air purifier that I will be keeping in my room, and this one is a HEPA certified air purifier, so it will block air pollutants as well. Now, I do recommend you guys to get a bigger air purifier, as if you have a bigger room, like a smaller one wouldn't be sufficient enough to keep the air clean. And the third thing that I want to recommend you guys is to get a filtering water bottle. And the reason for that is that usually the water quality in a polluted place is not that good. So do avoid drinking from straight from the tap water, and instead what you should do is put the water in a filtering water bottle, like I'm showing you guys. This one is by Brita, and then only drink water from the bottle. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys find this video useful.